Daikin's NavEase controller, with its contemporary design, is packed with features providing you with a simple, convenient means to control your indoor environment. The scheduling options on your Daikin NavEase controller allows you to automatically stop and start your air conditioning system at specific times of the day for each day of the week. To access the Schedule screen, press the Enter button and the main menu screen will be displayed. Press the Up-Down buttons to select Schedule. Then press the Enter button to display the scheduled screen. Before setting the schedule, the clock must be set to the correct time. If the clock has not been set, this prompt will appear. Press the left-right buttons to select Yes, followed by the Enter button, and the date and time screen will be displayed. Set the correct year, month, day and time using the arrow buttons. If all details are correct, press the Enter button and the confirmation screen will appear. Select Yes, followed by pressing the Enter button to confirm, and the display will take you back to the Schedule screen. Now that the date and time is correct, you can start setting the schedule for your air conditioner. First, you will need to select a schedule set. From the Schedule menu, use the up-down arrows to select Schedule NR Set. Then press the Enter button to access. Up to 3 scheduling patterns can be saved. Select from schedule number 1, 2 or 3, followed by the Enter button and a confirmation screen will appear. Use the left-right arrows to select Yes, then press the Enter button to save the setting, and you will then be taken back to the basic screen. To start setting the schedule, you will need to go to Settings via the Schedule menu. When selected, the Schedule screen will display a table. Each press of the left or right arrow buttons will move the highlighted item across the screen from the day of the week, time, action, cool, and heat. A maximum of 5 actions per day can be set. Start off by setting the day of the week to be scheduled. Once selected, press the right arrow button to move along to setting the hour of the day for the unit to start or stop operating. Select the desired hour by pressing the up-down button, followed by setting the minutes. Now that the time for the first action has been set, press the right arrow button to move the highlighted item. Using the up-down arrows, select the preferred action. On switches the unit on. Under this action, cooling and heating will be at the set temperatures desired. Off switches the unit off with the setback function enabled. The temperatures here now represent the setback temperatures. This means that the unit will only turn on if the room temperature exceeds these temperatures. If 2 dashes are shown on the screen, this indicates that the unit will turn off with the setback function disabled. This means that the unit will not turn back on even if the room temperature gets too hot or too cold. Repeat these steps for each day of the week as required. For convenience, to copy the settings from the previous day, press the Mode Selector button so that the existing settings will be copied. For example, after selecting Tuesday as the day of the week to be scheduled, press the Mode Selector button and all settings from Monday will be copied into Tuesday. Once the desired number of actions for each day of the week is set, press the Enter button and a confirmation screen will appear. Select Yes, followed by pressing the Enter button to save these settings. Repeat these steps to set a different schedule for schedule number 2 and or 3 as desired. To enable or disable a schedule, first, make sure that the desired Schedule NR Set via the Schedule NR Set menu is selected. From this menu, use the arrows to choose the desired set, then press the Enter button and a confirmation screen will appear. Save the settings by pressing the Enter button and it will take you back to the basic screen. Go back to the Schedule screen and select Enable Disable. Press the up-down arrow buttons to select Enable or Disable, followed by the Enter button and a confirmation screen will appear. Save the settings by selecting Yes and Confirm by pressing the Enter button. The settings will then be saved and you'll be taken back to the basic screen. The schedule for your air conditioner has now been set. Schedules for specific days of the week can be disabled via the Holidays menu. From the Schedule screen, toggle down to Holidays and press the Enter button to display the Holidays settings screen. Use the left-right arrow buttons to select the desired day of the week to disable the schedule timer. Press the up-down arrow button and a tick icon will be displayed. If the tick icon is visible under specific days, it means that these days have been set as a holiday, which will disable the schedule timer. Select one or multiple days of the week as holidays, as desired. Once the desired number of days are set, press the Enter button and a confirmation screen will appear. Select Yes, then press the Enter button to confirm and save these settings. You will then be taken back to the basic screen. For more information, please consult your manual or contact our customer service line 1300 368 300.